Look closely at your hand, turn it over, wiggle your fingers. Here in this single limb is a marvel of engineering. It is more intricate and more capable than any machine ever conceived by humankind. The human body is, quite simply, the most extraordinary creation in the known universe. It is a self-regulating, self-repairing masterpiece, a living sculpture crafted by millions of years of evolution. Each one of us is the custodian of this incredible biological vessel. It carries our thoughts, our dreams, and our very consciousness through the world. It is a symphony of systems, all working in perfect harmony. Imagine a machine that can power itself for 80, perhaps even 100 years. A machine that can mend its own broken parts, fight off microscopic invaders, and even create copies of itself. This is not science fiction. It is the reality of your own body. It is a biological engine of breathtaking complexity. From the moment of our first breath to our very last, this remarkable organism works tirelessly. It converts simple food into the energy needed to climb mountains, or to simply dream. It is a fortress, a factory, and a library of genetic information, all contained within a single, extraordinary package. At the heart of this biological masterpiece is a grand and ceaseless collaboration. Think of it as an orchestra, with each system playing its vital part in a magnificent symphony. The conductor, of course, is the brain. This 3-pound universe of neurons sits protected within the skull, orchestrating every thought, every movement, and every sensation. It processes the light entering your eyes, the sounds reaching your ears, and the very texture of the world beneath your fingertips. It is the seat of memory, the engine of creativity, and the source of all our emotions. The rhythm section of this orchestra is the heart. This tireless muscle, no bigger than your fist, is the life-giving drumbeat of our existence. It works day and night, pumping oxygen-rich blood through a vast network of vessels that, if laid end to end, would circle the earth more than twice. This river of life delivers vital nutrients to every single cell, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head, a testament to efficiency and endurance. Beyond the major systems we can easily name, the human body is filled with countless hidden marvels and surprising abilities. It is in these lesser-known details that we can find an even deeper appreciation for its complexity. Consider your fingerprints, for instance. We see them as unique identifiers, but their primary purpose is far more practical. The intricate ridges on our fingertips, and the whorls, are designed to increase friction. That friction gives us a more secure grip on the objects we hold. A small detail with a big impact on our ability to interact with our environment, and to manipulate our environment. Another astonishing, almost magical feature is the body's capacity for regeneration. When you break a bone, it isn't simply patched up. The body begins a remarkable rebuilding process. Specialized cells flock to the fracture site. They first form a soft callus, a natural scaffold. Over weeks and months, that scaffold is replaced by new, hard bone. Often, the healed area becomes even stronger than before. This ability to regrow and fortify itself is something human engineering still aspires to. It's a quiet, powerful display of nature's genius within us. Perhaps one of the most surprising facts lies in our own stomachs. The acid in your stomach is so corrosive it can dissolve razor blades. That hydrochloric acid breaks down the food we eat and kills harmful bacteria. Yet the stomach does not digest itself. Its lining secretes a protective mucus layer renewed every few hours. The human body is not just a passive machine, it is an active participant in its own survival, possessing an incredible power to overcome adversity. One of its most profound abilities is healing. When the skin is cut, a beautifully coordinated emergency response is triggered. Platelets rush to the scene to form a clot, like a natural plug. Beneath this protective scab, the body begins the intricate work of repair. New skin cells are generated. A network of collagen fibers is woven to knit the wound back together, often leaving only a faint scar as a reminder of the battle won. This resilience extends far beyond simple cuts and scrapes. The body is in a constant silent war against invisible threats. Every day we are exposed to millions of bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Our immune system is our personal, highly sophisticated army. It has memory cells that remember a previous enemy, enabling a faster response if it returns. This is the very principle behind vaccinations, a proactive, intelligent defense system of breathtaking complexity. The body also adapts and grows stronger through stress. When we exercise, running or lifting weights, we create tiny microscopic tears in muscle fibers. During rest, the body rebuilds stronger, overcompensating to make muscles thicker and stronger. The brain rewires itself. Neuroplasticity lets us learn, recover, adapt. As we conclude this brief journey, we are left with a sense of profound awe. The human body is not just a collection of systems, it is, honestly, a universe contained within each of us. From the grand architecture of the skeleton to the microscopic dance of cells. Every component is a marvel. To the microscopic dance of cells, every single component is a marvel. Every breath we take is a gift from our tireless lungs. Every beat of our heart is a drumbeat for life. Every thought that crosses our mind is a spark from the most complex object in the known universe. Our bodies make every single moment possible, from the mundane to the magnificent. It is the instrument through which we connect with others. A smile, a touch, the sound of our voice. A smile, a touch, a voice. We have only scratched the surface of what there is to know. Scientists discover new secrets every single day. About the microbiome, the mysteries of sleep, and the untapped potential of our minds. There is a whole world inside you, an intricate and fascinating landscape, full of unanswered questions and breathtaking discoveries waiting to be made. Let this fill you with curiosity. What else is this body capable of? What other secrets does it hold? Be curious, pay attention to the quiet hum of the machine, marvel at resilience, strength and grace, care for it and never lose your wonder. It is the only one you will ever have.